Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, owner of Citrus and Willow Skincare and Citrus and Willow Advanced Aesthetic Courses. Today I'm doing a nano needling treatment on a client mixed with this ESTHEMAX Vampire PLLA Infusion Mask. It is an amazing treatment and it is so great for anti-aging. I was just getting set up for my client and I knew this was something I wanted to show you guys. This is such an amazing anti-aging treatment and it's great for hydration and fine lines and wrinkles. So to start, we are going to start with the cleanse. Of course, I start with a double cleanse and I use the Gentle Face Wash from GLYMED. It has glycolic acid in it, and glycolic acid is made from sugarcane, and it's a small molecule, so it penetrates really deep, and it's good for most skin types, but it's super good for anti-aging clients. Next, I'm gonna go right into my nano needling treatment. Nano needling is a procedure that is non-invasive and it has flat tips rather than pointed tips. So it doesn't actually cut into the epidermis, but it does create a poration effect where the products penetrate a lot deeper and it increases the effectiveness of the products. It is a great treatment for increasing product penetration and product effectiveness, and it's super good for anti-aging clients, so this is a great modality to use. There are some contraindications to nano needling. Someone with acneic skin would not be a really good candidate for nano needling, and open lesions or any type of damaged skin is not a good candidate for nano needling. So make sure that you are checking your skin conditions before you decide to do this treatment in particular. What I'm going to nano needle in is this ARC Advanced Rejuvenating Concepts Rest and Restore Serum. It is such a great serum. I absolutely love it. I use it myself at night. It has 10% hyaluronic acid. And as we know, hyaluronic acid holds 1,000 times its water weight. So it's very hydrating and very plumping, but not to be mixed up with moisturizing. Hydrating is totally different. So this is an amazing serum to use and nano needle in. It also has vitamins A, C, and E. So it's very good with antioxidants and collagen support. Another great option to use is the Ultra Hydrogel from GLYMED. It is another 10% hyaluronic acid serum. It does not have the antioxidants, but that also really doesn't matter because you are really focusing on hydration with this treatment. It's just a bonus that you're actually having the antioxidants with the ARC serum. So either serum is absolutely perfect for this treatment. Make sure that you guys are properly protecting your equipment when you are utilizing this procedure. It's important that you are protecting yourself and the client, wrapping the nano needle properly, making sure that everything is sterile for the procedure. I teach a microneedling course and nano needling. If you have any questions, just email me or write it in the comments. Let me know and I'm happy to get back to you. So as I'm going over the face, I'm utilizing my same microneedling depths with the nano needling. So on the forehead, I'm doing a 0.5. On the cheeks, I'm doing a 1.0. And around the eyes, I'm doing a 0.25. And that is how I like to continue with my nano needling procedure, and it seems to work the best, and I've seen the best results utilizing those depths. To have the client finish, you will notice a little bit of erythema on the skin. That's good. It's bringing blood flow to the skin, stimulating collagen. So it is really awesome that they are going to have a little bit of erythema. You don't want them too red, but keeping at those depths, you're usually pretty safe. Next, I'm going to go into my ESTHEMAX Vampire PLLA Infusion mask, which stands for poly-L-lactic acid. Poly-L-lactic acid is a hydrator, and it also helps increase skin's elasticity. It is so amazing for your anti-aging clients. It is a great mask, and it's one of the jelly masks that you need to use cool water with. 1.5 scoops of the powder to 1 scoop of water, and mix it up and put it on the skin immediately. These masks can go over eyelashes and the mouth. It's okay to do that, but make sure that you ask your client that they're okay with nose breathing and not mouth breathing. Also, if they have lash extensions, I really would not put this on their eyes if they have lash extensions. Other than that, this is a great mask, and it's really good actually for all skin types, but it really focuses on hydration and stimulating elasticity, so it really is an anti-aging treatment. This mask really does take about 15 to 20 minutes to set, and I've really noticed that about 20 minutes is a good time frame. I either let my client relax, or you could give the option of a hand and arm massage, shoulder massage, whatever you want to do for that 20 minutes. This really is a medical procedure. I put my clients on the medical chair, so I don't do any massage with this treatment. They get to relax for 20 minutes, and then I come back, take off the mask, and then proceed into my finishing products. And I finish with this CBD B3 facial mist. I'm obsessed with this mist from GLYMED. It's anti-inflammatory, and it's also super hydrating. It has niacinamide in it, so it's anti-redness, and it's gonna be great to finish off this advanced procedure with. I love to spritz it on. I love the way it feels, and I love the way it makes my client's skin and my skin look. So this is a really high-end mist. You should be putting this in your treatment room. It is so amazing to sell to your clients. If you're not utilizing this mist, then I recommend utilizing Epionce, their balancing toner or their purifying toner, but definitely utilizing some sort of toner that's going to benefit your client after the mask. I like to finish off my treatment completely with an eye cream that's suitable for my client. So one of the examples I like to use is the Emergency Eye Lift from Circadia. It immediately freezes the skin there, and I love the way that the client leaves. You can also put that all over the skin for immediate firmness. It is such a great product to use around the eye area. There's lots of other options, however. GLYMED has great options. Epionce has great options. Circadia has other options as well. So check your product line. Pick out your favorite eye cream or eye serum and utilize that on your client. Then I finish with an SPF, always SPF 30 or higher. This is an advanced procedure, so protecting their skin after is important. So making sure you have an SPF 30 or higher. Again, you can utilize GLYMED or check your product line for an SPF that also has hydrators in there. It's not just the protection from the sun. You want hydration in the SPF as well. And then I end always with a lippy. I love putting on some sort of lip gloss or lip balm, and the client just leaves looking glowy and dewy and set for the day. I really hope you guys like this video. I utilized the Arc Serum today in my treatment. I don't utilize their products very often in my videos, but I absolutely love their product line. I utilize them in my microneedling and nano needling training. So they're a great product line. I encourage you to go check them out. They have amazing products, and I really like utilizing them in my treatment room as well as retail. This is one of the products that I love to retail, the Rest and Restore. And as an aging woman myself, I'm obsessed with it. So it's such a great product. But I hope you guys really like this video. I hope you found it informative, and let me know what you guys want to learn about next. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment, like this video, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.